What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex here and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to tell you guys about a scam that is online and it's using CLICKBANK, and if you invest your money inside this, you're going to lose a lot of money. So this is a scam that many people have contacted me about because I've seen my testimonials on those different pages and they think that I'm the one that is promoting that scammy product. So I'm going to show you guys the product and how you can go and avoid from being scammed on CLICKBANK. So that's it, guys. So if you're new to the channel as well, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're going to get in time that I post new videos on how to make money online and CLICKBANK earning methods, guys. So I'm just going to show you guys the scam. So this product right here, so you can see this product is called CLICKBANK Traffic. So this is a software that is promising that you're going to get autopilot traffic for completely free, and you just need to buy the software from $200 to $500. And a lot of people have contacted me because they have seen my testimonial on their Instagram page of someone that is promoting this product right here, and they have just taken my video and they have put on their Instagram page, and many people have bought the product thinking that I'm the one that is promoting this product, and they have lost a lot of money because the software does not work, guys. So what I'm going to do is let me show you guys the page. So this page is called CLICKBANK Traffic. So this page right here, so the person is promoting a scammy product, so it's promising you that you're going to get autopilot traffic and you're going to make a lot of sales on CLICKBANK by using a software that he has created. So if you go to his page, you're going to find a lot of different videos of different screenshots that he has put on this Instagram page, and he's telling people that if you're going to use his secret software, you're going to get traffic on autopilot and you're going to make a lot of sales. So if you scroll right down, you're going to see a lot of different videos, and he never shows his face in any of these videos, and he has got different videos from different people's sales pages and different testimonials and put on this page, and he's saying that these testimonials are from people that have used his software. So he has just posted different people's testimonials from different pages and on this page, and many people are believing that these people have actually used the software, which they have not used the software, and people that buy this software have lost a lot of money. So scroll right down on this page, you're going to find my own video as well. So many people have contacted me about this particular video because they can see me in one of the videos and they think that I am also making my sales by using this software right here. So you can see this on my videos right here. Hello there and welcome. So this is one of my videos that he has cut some part of the video and he has put on this page, and many people that have watched this video, that have watched my channel, many people believe that this is where I get my traffic from. So I don't use this software and this software does not work. So these are all fake testimonials that he has put on this page right here, and he never shows his face in any of these videos. So I'm not promoting this software, and if you're going to use this software, you're going to lose a lot of money because I've seen testimonials from a lot of people that have used this software and nobody is making any money. So he's going to take your money and he's going to block you once he has taken your money for the traffic software, and there's no traffic software online, guys. So there's no traffic software online that is going to bring you traffic on autopilot for completely free. So you want to make sales on CLICKBANK, what you're going to do is that you're going to go and buy traffic from network, for example Facebook. You can buy traffic from Google and Bing. So those are trusted networks that you can buy traffic from before you can make sales. So what you can do is that you can see this page right here is called anti-CLICKBANK traffic. So this somebody has created this page right here for people that have been scammed from using this software right here. So if you go to this page, anti-CLICKBANK traffic, you're going to see that these are all testimonials of people that have used this software and they have not gotten any results. And once you have paid for this software, they're going to block you, and he charges between $300 to $500 for this software. So I'm not recommending this software. So if you have seen this software online, you know that this is a scam. The testimonial is not from me, so I just got some of my videos and I just put on this page to show that I have been using this software. So I use mostly paid traffic from Google, and I also use free traffic to make my sales on CLICKBANK. So that's it, guys. So what you're going to do is that if you want to make money online, you want to go and invest in free traffic strategies. There are a lot of free traffic strategies that you can go and use, for example Instagram, Pinterest, and you can use it and you can get a lot of free traffic and you can start getting some sales. So the paid traffic methods that you can go and use as well, you can use, for example, Google ads, you can use native ads and buy traffic from reputable networks before you can start seeing some sales. So you are going to be investing in any software that is promising that is going to make you rich and make a lot of money on CLICKBANK. So no software exists like that, and you're just going to lose your money and you're not going to get any results. So that's it, guys. So if you're new to the channel as well, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you're going to get in time that I post new videos that can help you guys start making some extra money very fast online. And you want to make money online, you can use either paid traffic or free traffic. So you can watch some of the videos on this channel, and if you take action on some of the videos on this channel consistently, you're going to start getting some results as well. So that's it, guys. So I'm not promoting this software. So this software is a scam, and if you're going to promote this, if you're going to buy this software, you're going to be wasting your money because the software doesn't work and you're not going to get refunded once you have bought this software. So that's it, guys. So watch some of the videos on this channel and take action on the methods, and you're going to start getting some results. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.